Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your Gmail account and Aadhar number, plus access to the mobile that has your Aadhar registered SIM. Once done, sign into Gmail and open settings where account recovery or identity sections appear. You need the SMS OTP pathway or biometric option at the UID portal. This is why the registered SIM matters. Make sure to use a modern browser for security and to avoid pop-up blockers, because the process will redirect between Google and the Aadhar verification interface. Next, you trigger the verification. In Gmail settings or Google account recovery, choose to link or verify identity via Aadhar. Then pick the OTP method if you have the registered mobile. Google will request a 6-digit OTP sent from UID. Enter it quickly because it expires. Alternatively, if biometric verification is offered, follow the scanner prompts to capture fingerprint or iris. This is faster and more secure. During this stage, monitor both browser and your phone for request screens and keep them unlocked. To finish, review the confirmation screen or email from Google. You should see Aadhar linked status. If everything shows verified, log out and back in to confirm changes propagate. If the OTP fails, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then request a new one, because network delays or carrier filtering often block messages. Make sure the registered SIM is in the same phone and has signal. For persistent mismatches, contact the UID helpline or visit an Aadhar enrollment center to verify records and update mobile details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.